Okay, for 42, they want us to list characteristics of this parabola, right? Of this graph, really. So first things first, we give what shape it is, and we already know that it is a parabola, right? Then for parabolas, it's important to know whether it opens up or it opens down. So in this case, it opens up, right? Opens up because up looks like that, down looks like that, right? Okay. Then we have to list other important points. Now, one important point is the vertex right there, which is either the bottom point or the top point of the graph. So the vertex is the ordered pair, -4, -9. They give us that, right? Now, other important characteristics of a graph are the minimum values and the maximum values. Now, minimum values, we're talking about y values, right? Minimum values and maximum values are not ordered pairs. So the minimum value, the lowest y can get is right here, right? Which is -9. So the minimum is -9, and the maximum, right? The maximum, it goes up and up and up forever. So there is no maximum value, right? Another important point on a parabola, graph of a parabola, is this this imaginary middle line, which is called the axis of symmetry, right? And that line is given as the form of an equation. So the axis of symmetry could be given as x equals, right? X equals -4, right? It crosses through at -4, right? And that's the equation of the line -4. Another interesting point to know is where it crosses the x-axis, right? So the x-intercepts, right? Now, intercepts are not ordered pairs. It's the x values where it crosses the x-axis. And I just look, here's one, and here's one, and that's at -7 and -1. Okay, so x-intercepts are not the ordered pairs. They're actually listed as the x values. And then we should look on the graph where it crosses the y-axis, right? And it crosses the y-axis, so that's the y-intercept, at +7, right? And these characteristics would be a good description of the graph of the parabola.